a problem with your Lippert auto level? When you level, it just does not seem like it's level. Well, I'm going to attempt to re-level our RV and follow their procedures. Stick around and see what happens. Like I was saying, our Lippert auto level, when it does the auto level, it's just a little bit off. And I'm going to attempt to try to level it. I'm going to show you by a little bit how bad I was. It's not that much. I'm going to put that right there. I want to lower the front end, but if I raise the back of the level, that's how much off I am. So from there to there. But that's not all the problem. Let's go inside and look around. So we're in here on the counter, and this is going left to right on the camper. And if you can see that level, I'm going to raise up on this end. It's this far off. Well, you don't think about it that much. I think the low end is correct. The high end is wrong. The front leg to this side is raised up too high. The door is just a little bit hard to shut. This is, we noticed that. We go to the bathroom in the showers, and what I'm going to do, let me get some colored water for booze. And if we take a shower, you can see the water runs to that corner. It doesn't run to the drain. It runs to that corner over there. So we'd have water in the shower floor unless we took a rag and soaked it up. Now let me go show you the third thing that is wrong. But the auto level says it's level. See that? This back tire is too high because of this side being too high. So we're going to take a level. I'm going to put this to hold the steps up or whatever. And I'm going to try measuring each spot. And I'm going to lower this front corner. I might lower this whole side a little bit, but mainly get that front corner down and see if we can reset the Lippert leveling system. Let's see, put it on retract. That side, wait a minute, that's a little bit of front. Right side and front. Just a little, maybe a little bit on the rear. A little more on the front. We'll stop there. Got to be wheels on the ground. On the ground. So we head in the right direction. Here's where we need to pull the door to. Alright. Oh, if just a tap did it. I think it needs one more tap. We're going to look on the floor. Front needs to come. Oh, if we just do right side tap. Hold on, let's see how the door fits. It's already shutting better. So let's go back and just tap it again. Right side. Let's see, right side, tap rear. Then a good jolt on that side and a jolt on the front. I just gotta keep doing it back and forth until I get it correct. Just it seems to me like I'm doing it little bits of increments at a time. So I'm just gonna keep going back and forth till I get that correct. Right side, back tap, front side, tap, and tap. Oh my goodness gracious. So freaking close. I just don't want to overdo it because it could be a little bit different. Oh, that is in there. Front and left, front and back is the what? Look there. The blue is moved to the back a little bit, closer to the drain. So front, this way is good. That way is good. I need just that little bit more to bring it to right there. The whole side needs to come down. So all I need is still not there yet. Alright, that's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. We're standing in it. If we're standing in it, it looks like it's going to run and run out. Good. That sounds pretty good. Well, tires are solid on the ground now. So this is going to be the first time for me too. Let's try this. You turn it off. You press front 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 point calibrated. Yes. Press enter to set. Press enter. Please wait. 0 point success, and it shut off. Now to verify what we just did. Make sure I'm gonna close camper up. I'll turn it on. Turn it on. Okay. Turn it on. I'm gonna raise the front a little bit. Retract the rears. Alright, I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to hit auto level. Please wait. Now what I'm hoping on while it's calibrating here is putting it back. He puts it back where we just set it. and the next time we won't be leaning sideways. I was afraid to do this at a campground because what if it goes wrong and I'm stuck somewhere else? At least at home I got time to work on it. It's still leveling. Lowering the gear. It's still leveling. Ground. Lowering the backs. Success. Alright, it's a success. I'm going to shut it off. We're going to go inside and check it. And we got two guys on the play right now. Alright. Here. Come in here. Keys down. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Two. Door two. Oh, no binding. And the water's going towards the drain. All right, that's what we're looking for. There you have it. That's how I readjusted my leveling system on my Lippert auto level. And click that thumbs up. Subscribe so that you don't miss the next videos. As always, Only Weekends RV.